This is the book of Sirach, also known as the book of Ecclesiasticus, chapter 3, verse 19. Many are in high place and of renown, but mysteries are revealed unto the meek. Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai, Barakatah Yahweh, Barakatah Yahweh Shai. Yahweh is the name who the world ignorantly calls God, and Yahweh Shai is his son, who the world ignorantly calls Jesus Christ. First and foremost, I want to give all praises and all glory to Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem, Rakah Kodash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone who ruled well and taught us this truth. They are the true teachers for the nation of Israel on earth today. And salutation to the Akim out there pushing this truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the earth and risking their life for Yahweh, Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai's sake. I'm Brother Samak from the GMS Miami camp. And yes, the reason why I brought out the book of Sirach, also known as the book of Ecclesiasticus, chapter 3, verse 19, is that what you see in front of your screen is just proof that the Lord revealed, his mysteries, to the meek of the earth, which are his servants, the prophets, and those that are listening, to his servants, the prophets, the elect. Because not everyone can be a prophet. But you have a lot of the elect that are listening to the prophets. And when the prophets bring out articles like the one that you see in front of your screen, it's a true blessing, it's a true honor, that you could clearly see where the world is going. And we have to give all praises and all glory to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai to put the Spirit on us to see it and to believe it. Because you're not going to get this information from clowns like Creflo Dollar or TD Jakes, or those that know that they're Israelites, like jokers like Nathaniel, Bishop Nathaniel, or General Yohana. They're not going to talk about things like this, and preparing your minds and preparing you for what's to come. But the prophets, mainly here at Great Millstone, through the Spirit and power of Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, they are going to, show it, because the Lord has opened our eyes to see it. Sikron has received FDA, which is Federal Drug Administration. And by the way, this article came from The Hill. That's a mainstream media source. So when it comes to credibility, how much credibility do you need? And that's according to Esau's BS standard. Sikron has received FDA approval to kick off an early feasibility study of its brain-computer interface implant in humans in the U.S. Trial runs are happening. They're calling it a race to test brain chips in humans. It's a race, because this devil knows he has a short time. This is a race. The study will start later this year at Mount Sinai Hospital with 6 human subjects. Wow, that's a mouthful right there. Sinai means thorny. In fact, I got the definition of what thorny means. Thorny, having many thorns or bushes, or causing distress, difficulty, or trouble. This charagma is going to be stressful, difficult, troubling to the whole world. And the only ones that are going to get delivered from it are the elect, because they knew. And the Lord, they knew what was coming. They trusted in the Lord. They did what the Lord told them. And the Lord said, I will keep you from the hour of temptation. Revelation chapter 3, verse 19. I'm not getting it. You can go get it. And of course, notice it says 6 human subjects. 6. Here we go. Why did they choose the number 6? Come on, man. Put 2 to 2 together. The study will examine the safety and efficacy of its motor neural prosthesis in patients with severe paralysis, with the hopes the device will allow them to use brain data to control digital devices and achieve improvements in functional Independence, right. Digital devices. You already know where this is going to. All right, that's why you see the whole blockchain digital, okay, platform being pushed out. They're calling it the fourth industrial revolution. Okay. Oh, they apprehended at the Capitol. Breaking news. Yeah, hey, hey, this is the times that we're in, man. These are the signs that we're at the end. This is going on in D.C. There was a supposed bomb threat, and now they captured the dude. So yeah, we're here. We're in these times, man. Not to go off on a tangent or off on topic. Let's continue on. It says, patients begin using the device at home soon after implementation and may wirelessly control external devices by thinking about moving their limbs. Right, and these are these miracles, all right, that's going to deceive the whole world. All right, these are miracles and wonders, all right, that Esau's pushing out. And notice it's here in Babylon the Great, okay, that another beast, okay, that you read in Revelation 13. You know what, I got it, let's get it. Revelation 13:11. I beheld another beast coming up out of the earth, and he had 2 horns like a lamb, and he spoke as a dragon. Right, 2 horns represent your 2 political party system, okay, your Republicans and Democrats, and they get that concept all the way back, okay, to ancient Rome. The patricians and the plebeians, they get the same concept. That's why there's nothing new under the sun. This is this, okay, image of the beast system. This is Rome all over again. And it horns like a lamb, right? They tell you to vote for them. They tell you they're going to make your life better. And then once they're in, they fuck you, okay? They fuck you. If you can't see your own politicians are fucking you in 2021, all right, you're definitely not, your mind is not all up there, okay? Just get ready to die a horrible death. And he spake as a dragon, right? Draconian laws, all right? That's why I look at this whole pandemic, all the rights he's taken away, okay? All these restrictions, mask mandates, and all this other shit that you can just Google and see how many mandates are out there, okay, in various parts of the country. 12. And he exercised all power of the first beast before him, and caused the earth and them which dwell therein to worship the first beast, whose deadly wound was healed. Right, it's talking about, okay, the ancient Roman Empire. All right, that's what America, okay, and its allies, which is the beast, okay, NATO. That's what they push, and America's that whore that rides NATO, okay. That's what they push out to the world. This Roman image of the beast, the Roman Empire. 13. And he doth great wonders, there you go, so that he maketh, notice wonders with a plurals, so that he maketh fire come down from heaven on the earth in the sight of men. Right, who dropped 2 huge, okay, nuclear bombs on another country? Babylon the Great, America, okay, and that was all done through his technology, okay, those miracles. 14. And he deceiveth them, here's the point, and he deceiveth them that dwell on the earth by the means of those miracles which he had power to do in the sight of the beast, saying to them that dwell on the earth that they should make an image to the beast which had the wound by a sword and did live. Right, and this miracle, okay, to help out people that are paralyzed, all right, that's going to deceive the whole world. People going to line up to take the Karagman. They're going to line up. They're going to be like, yeah, I'm okay, they're going to think that they're going to be smarter. They're going to, all right, be faster. Okay, they're going to be able to buy and sell with it. All right? You're dealing with the wicked that walks the earth, all right? So let's go back to this article again, because I want to show you this part right here. It says 4 human patients. So this is the same company. They did their first test in Australia. Why do you think Australia's moving so fast with the NWO agenda, man? Because they already done these trials over there in Australia. 4 human patients. Remember, the company's coming out from America. The company is based in San Francisco. This goes to show you this whole, okay, charagma, this whole agenda is coming straight from Babylon the Great, according to Revelation 13 that I just brought out. 4 human patients in Australia have already received Synchron's implant as part of the separate clinical trial. The company published a study detailing how 2 patients were able to control devices to text and type. They eventually used the technology at home to send text messages, shop online, and manage finances according to the study. Finances. Buyer and selling. Okay? Okay, there you go. Those are those key words right there. So let's go to Luke chapter 10. And once again, my main focus of this lesson is that, hey man, the Lord revealeth his secrets unto his servants prophets, the meek. Okay, we got to be grateful. We got to be thankful because the Lord blessed us, man. Blessed are our eyes. So I want to bring this out. Luke chapter 10 verse 21. In that hour Yahushua rejoiced in spirit and said, I thank thee, O Father, Lord of heaven and earth, that thou hast hid things from the wise and prudent. Right. Those are your supposed leaders. Okay. And this is mainly talking to our people, you so-called Negroes, Latinos, and Native Americans, who you look to, as leaders. All right. Among your own people. Creflo Dollar, T.D. Jakes, Bishop Nathaniel, and has revealed them unto babes, right, the meek, okay? Even so, Father, for so it seemed good in thy sight, right? It is good in the Lord's sight. The Lord loves us. He loves always using the lowly, always using the poor, the meek to confound the rich and powerful. That's how the Lord gets down, man. It's always been like that. Okay? 22. All things are delivered to me, O my Father, and no man knoweth who the Son is, but the Father, and who the Father is, but the Son, and he to whom the Son will reveal him, right? And the Lord has revealed, these mysteries, unto us. And we hope, we believe. This is all based on faith. We believe. We believe, who Yahushua is, what he looks like, how he's coming back in the chariots, We believe that this devil Esau, all right, is coming down with great wrath because he knoweth that he has but a short time. He's going to push out this charagma, all right? And those that don't take it, we know he's going to start exterminating. But guess what? We believe the Lord's going to protect us, lift up a standard, You got to have faith and belief. The scriptures talk about, the Lord lifted up a standard, all right, for his people. 23. And he turned him unto his disciples and said privately, blessed are the eyes which see the things that ye see. And that's the thing. We got to constantly praise and give glorification to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai, because he blessed our eyes to clearly see that we're at the end. All right. They're doing trial runs for brain implants. All right. In a place called Mount Sinai, which Sinai means thorny, which means trouble, distress. And that's going to be the trouble, distress, that's going to be coming onto the world if you look at it spiritually. That charagma. 24, for I tell you that many prophets and kings have desired to see those things which ye see and have not seen them, and to hear those things which ye hear and have not heard them. Right, that's why we know so much now, all right, than our forefathers, because now this is the time. And they were waiting for these things to come, when they were walking the earth, all right? You don't think the disciples wanted that to the kingdom of heaven right then and then? They saw Yahushua rise, from the grave. They saw Yahushua, get resurrected. They thought right then and there, it's time to get the kingdom of heaven. But no, certain things have to plan out, that they didn't see. All right? Now we're seeing everything. Now you're seeing this technology, this charagma being reported on mainstream media, being tested right before your very eyes. So we are blessed, and we got to consider ourselves fortunate the Lord opened our eyes, because you got individuals in that know that they're Israelites that can't see that this is Revelation 13 and 16. Where's the article at? They can't see it. It's crazy. But hey, blessed are your eyes, man. All right? The Wadi Al Bashim Al Shah, that he revealed to us his mysteries, okay? Us, the meek. Amos 3:7. Surely the Lord power will do nothing, but he revealed his secrets unto his servants, the prophets. 8. The lion hath roared, who will not fear? The Lord power has spoken, who can but prophesy? And that's what we're doing, we're prophesying. We're prophesying, okay, of what's to come through the spirit power of Yahweh Bashem Yahushai, and we are confident, all right, that we got the 100% truth, all right? This is not about being cocky, all right? This is not being arrogant, this is being confident, man, all right? So, that's it. Once again, let's read this. Sirach chapter 3, verse 19. Many are in high place and of renown, but mysteries are revealed unto the meek. Kaha Yahweh Bashem Yahushai. Kaha Yahweh Bashem Yahushai. All right? And you got to constantly praise that name all right, as much as possible. That he showed us. All right? These mysteries that we have confidence when the hour of temptation comes. All right? Because we're keeping the patience, the word of the Lord's patience, man. You know what? I said I wasn't going to get it, but let me get it. All right? Revelation. I retract my statement. Inside joke. Revelation 3:10. Because thou hast kept the word of my patience, I also will keep thee from the hour of temptation, which shall come upon all the world to try them that dwell upon the earth. 11. Behold, I come quickly. Hold that fast which thou hast, that no man take thy crown. Right. So, hold fast to this truth. You clearly see the Charagma is coming. You know this is Revelation 13:16. You see this devil Esau Edom, okay, here in Babylon the Great, testing it out, doing trial runs, using the FDA, all right, as an approval. All right. So we know that we're in these times. We know we're close, all right, to the end. We're here. We're actually in the end. We're close to the end of this man's rulership and the salvation of the elect to be with Yahweh Shai and rule, okay, in the kingdom of heaven forever and ever. So with that, I want to give all praises, all honor, and all glory to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai, Ba'ashem B'Kakodash. Double honors to the apostles of Great Millstone who rule well and taught us this truth. They are the true teachers for the nation of Israel on earth today. And salutation to the Akim out there, pushing this truth and sincerity throughout the four corners of the earth and risking their life for Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahweh Shai's sake. Love you, brothers. Keep enduring, keep the faith. Let's keep going. Let's keep pushing. We're here. We're at the end. Keep studying, keep fighting, keep praying. All right, spiritually fight. We know our warfare is not carnal. To the few sisters that are watching, keep studying, keep praying, pray. And when you pray, make sure you have your head covered. Shalom and abad rabah. Shalom.